In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drill downs in a Looker Studio report. Drill downs let your viewers start at a high level and then click to explore more detailed levels of the same data, all within a single chart. This keeps your reports clean while still giving people the depth they need when they're ready to dig in. Begin by opening Google Looker Studio. If you still see Data Studio in parts of the interface, that's normal. It's the same product. From the home screen, open the report you want to modify. Once it loads, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit at the top. You'll know you're in edit mode when the toolbar and the Properties panel on the right side are visible. Next, add a chart. Click. Add a chart in the toolbar. For this walkthrough, choose Table. Tables are great for demonstrating drill downs because they make changes in the dimension level very obvious. After selecting Table, click and drag on the canvas to place and size it where you want. You can always resize or move it later. With the table selected, look to the Properties panel on the right and open the Setup tab if it isn't already active. This is where we'll define the fields the chart uses. Click Add Dimension, then choose your primary dimension. I'll pick Category for this example. That sets the top level of detail your viewers will see first, unless you decide to change the default level in a moment. Now scroll in the Setup panel until you find the Drill Down section. Turn the Drill Down toggle on to enable it for this chart. When Drill Down is enabled, Looker Studio uses the dimensions assigned to the chart as levels that viewers can navigate through. The order of those dimensions determines the path from higher level to lower level. Finally, choose the default drill down level from the drop-down. This controls which level a viewer sees when they first land on the page. Setting it to category ensures the chart opens at the broadest view in our example, and viewers can then drill deeper from there. A quick tip for usability: keep your levels logically ordered from broad to specific, and use clear, human-friendly field names so it's obvious what each level represents. Also, be mindful of filters and date ranges applied to the page, since those will affect every level of the drill down the same way. That's it. You've added a table, set up a dimension, enabled drill downs, and chosen the default level. When you switch to view mode, your audience can click to move between levels and explore your data without leaving the chart.